AKQA isn't an advertising company, it isn't a technology company, it's an ideas company. It's about taking that idea and delivering it to our clients in a seamless and beautiful way.
What there is at AKQA is a great mutual respect between development and design. Often that means that we're taking technologies and we're pushing them to the very edge.
With the amount of broadband out there and the technologies that are coming, especially the Microsoft technologies, we've been using lots of Silverlight, and it's allowing us to be even more creative.
What our clients do like is the security that they have, knowing the fact that we've got a very solid partnership with Microsoft. When there's something to turn around very quickly, when there's an issue that we have, we've got the right network and infrastructure in place behind us to be able to make it happen. The relationship that AKQA have with Microsoft should be a pattern, really, for the way that Microsoft work with agencies. They need to be able to deliver quickly because that's what our clients expect. They need to be able to deliver robustly because campaigns can't fail. And that's what Microsoft do with us. They listen to what AKQA really want, think and feel and translate that.
We've been using Microsoft technologies extensively in several projects that we've recently deployed. Sherlock Holmes has been released with a huge fanfare. There's a lot of great response coming from it. And the key to Sherlock Holmes is depth. It's depth of experience. Because it's not just a little game where you're trying to find something or a discussion. It's actually an investigation and looking and actually observing.
It's a world first in terms of some of the technologies we've used and how we've used them. We've got in touch with the photosynth teams in Redmond and we worked with them really tightly. They understood the passion that we had for this opportunity and they made things happen for us.
Deep Zoom is a different feature. It's a new way of working and a new way of creating an interface to explore content and to explore the depth of content. So we're always looking at these features. What do they allow us to do that we can take to clients that they won't have seen before?
It's been a long time since I've seen people at a computer playing something with a big grin on their face. And people have this big grin on their face when they're using photosynth. If you can get that kind of reaction out of somebody, especially these days, then you're onto a winner.
No one really sees that side of Microsoft. They see the server products, which is great, and we use a lot of those, but it's actually about jumping into innovative spaces. Over the last 5 years, the industry has changed and is changing dramatically.
A campaign isn't the same anymore. It's a dialogue now between a brand and its consumers.
It feels like now we can do the things that we really want to do.
The range of possibilities makes it exciting.
The meetings that I've had recently down at the Microsoft campus, everyone's been incredibly excited about the stuff that we want to do, and they're just ready and willing to take part in that journey.
Our creative development discipline is being taken seriously by the biggest and most important technology company in the world. And that obviously gives you a feeling that you are at the heart of the progressive cycle of the digital industry.